Everyone, it's Maverick here again, and I know it has been a while, but I'm back now and then I'm active, and I'm going to be bombarding you guys with a lot of free sites where you guys can make free USDT, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies of your choices. But you're going to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and like my videos so you can be recommended my videos whenever I upload any. So First of all, we're going to talk about this Solana site, which is where you can mine Solana for absolutely free. You have nothing, you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is create your Faucet Pay account, create your Faucet Pay wallet account, and then all you need to do is log in here with your email. You understand? I'll be providing the referral link to create Faucet Pay account. Well, this wallet is where you can withdraw very little amount of cryptocurrencies, and they're not going to charge you anything for it. So do well to create your Faucet Pay account, because most of the platforms I'm going to be posting this week are going to be about Faucet Pay. Do you understand? So as you can see over here on this side, you can mine Dogecoin, Tron, Litecoin, USDT, whichever one of your choice, and then it's going to be mining for you. So you can also join their Telegram communities, and then you're going to be getting giveaways there, and it's just basically free. People give away things in the group, and also they're going to be getting lots of sponsors. Do you understand? So let's just talk about this site for now, and then maybe on my next video we'll talk deeper about this platform. Do you understand? So all you need to do is click on start investing, and then you're going to be asked to put your Faucet Pay email just so you can log in. Do you understand? So all you need to do is input your email, your Faucet Pay email, and then you're going to click on start mining, and it's going to start automatically. Do you understand? So I'm going to fill my. So as you can see, I'm brought to the dashboard. You can see my total balance over here, and you can see my mining speed and my daily profit. So for you to increase your mining speed, because well, right now you can see it's 2.0 gigahertz. So for you to increase your mining speed, first of all, there are tasks you have to complete, and then you're going to be getting enough, you're going to be getting more mining speed. You understand? So as you can see over here, this task is join the FCC Telegram. You're going to get 5 of the mining speed. Join sponsor, you're going to get 2. Follow them on X, you're going to get 2. And then join their free Dodge Telegram, you're going to be getting 2 also. So that's basically all you need to do, and then you're going to be adding for you this mining speed. And I feel every day the task is going to be coming, and it's going to be refreshing. Sorry. So that's basically all you need to do. And then to increase your mining speed, also you copy your referral code, share to your family and friends. This is not necessary, but if you want to increase your mining speed, you share to your family and friends, and they are going to join this platform, and you guys are going to be earning faster. Do you understand? For each people you refer to this platform, you're going to be getting extra mining speed for you and your friend together. Do you understand? So as you can see, this platform is very easy. You don't have to even go anywhere. Just you can see the withdrawal, you can see your daily profit, and that's basically all. You understand? So this platform is very easy to make money for yourself. So don't sleep on this, and I'm going to be leaving the link for you in the comment section so that you can join also. So until my next video, stay safe and earn money.